Okay, hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for 15 subscribers and all the support on the Pokemon video. Thanks a lot, actually. I really do appreciate that. That is very, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Like, this is crazy, but if you couldn't tell already, this is the 5th, Angy Bird series, like the 5th part. So yeah, look what I use here. I use a thing of sound.
I don't know what you heard. Don't know what you heard. Oh no, but I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Okay, so that did a lot of damage. They got completely decimated. On to the next level now, shall we? We should get to level 40 and then stop, okay? I don't know why, but I have a feeling we're gonna be here a while. I have a feeling that... Oh wait, listen to the sound effect that I put in. Yeah, okay. Listen to this next one, though. Listen to this next one. Yeah, that was good. Now listen to this one. And this one. No, listen, wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. So, I obviously didn't get all the piggies, so I'm gonna have to retry it. Yep, you see I got the level failed. So I guess I'm gonna have to try again. Let me buy this, dude. Oh, I have 240, exactly enough for 3. Okay, but I don't know how I'm not gonna use them. It's okay. I just really want to use them. So that didn't work again, so I'm gonna have to retry. Hold on, wait. Let me go back to the levels. Let me go back to that. What? I have enough for all of them. I just don't know why they're not showing up. It sucks. No, I don't want your Discord free community, but whatever. So I'm gonna go by my nose. This is me editing, so yeah, I'm back. Go click the level. Click wrong level. Why did I try to do this? I'm confused about my decisions I made. Okay. So, it appears I will, yeah. Now what am I gonna do? Why did I skip this level? What? Did I have to do this? I don't know why I did. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, just use a fish. The biggest bird is gonna come out. So that happened. So, but I mean, I didn't reach my height. I mean, I did, but like, I don't know. Let's just get to this one. This one, I failed. Okay. Okay. Badoink. Bonk. Now another one. I know I'm gonna fail this. I wonder how, if it's possible you could like win this. Yeah, no. I'll just start. Okay. I got sound effects stuck in my head now. Jeez. Yeah, no, that didn't do anything. This did. Like, yeah. How was you gonna get through all that? Unless, no, why did I do this? Why did I do, okay, what? Okay, do this, do it. No, boom, yeah, no. What, how did you not? That pig is so lucky, bro. Really, bro? Really, pig? Really, pig? Are you serious right now, bro? Okay. I got those two. I got 3 birds with 1 pig. I mean, no, I got 3 pigs with 1 bird. Now he's gonna glide through it. Yes! My plan worked. I won the level. But, I mean, then again, I only got 2 stars, so... Uh-oh. It's these guys. The ones that drop eggs. Oh. Exploded that, I guess. So, there I go again. Oh. Broke that open. Okay. I don't know how I missed. Don't ask me. But here comes it. I'm gonna insert like a explosion, like, I don't know what I'm gonna include there, but it's gonna be something cool. Oh. Okay. Same with the birds, the super birds. Oh no, but I have to be his birds, Boing. Start that level. Now I gotta go for them. But yeah, I got that dude that was hiding behind the thing. Oh, and I just beat the level. Oh, I'm getting more score right now. If you couldn't tell. I don't know what this. Like that bird hit nothing. Yeah, whatever. Oh, look, he's here. I only got 1 star. Cool. I know, right? It's so cool, right? Okay, come on. Boom. Oh, how does physics work in that? Okay, there we go. Like I was gonna say, how does those physics work? I know this is a game. It's Angry Birds. It's made for 4 years. But how does that physics work? The more score, the better. That's what I say. 48,000 score. Oh, I still only got 1 star and 2 coins. Golden eggs. Hurry, coin. Look at him. He goes explosion. I gotta defeat both of those little, like wee little pigs. But I messed up, so. Wait, can I go for that? Yes, I can. Okay. Okay, so that's good. Now I gotta clear up that debris with this bird and go back for round 2 with this bird. But I hit that. I hit it. Are you seeing this, bro? I hit the freaking. Oh, it's okay. I could just start again. Break that. Okay. No. I was not expecting that to deal so much. But then again, it did. So, okay. I did not expect that. So, oh, what was I trying to, why did I do that? Don't ask me, I don't know what I'm doing. I just play games for fun and to get the views, hopefully. That's what I say to myself every day. Man, look where it got me. Oh, this is the one. Are you serious? You could have fell. No. I'm living. I'm actually mad though. Seriously, that is so annoying. Dang, bro. That's annoying. I got so close, bro. Why don't I just like tap the screen and blow up the whole thing? Why didn't I do that? Why? Why do I think differently like that? That's the question we all should be asking. That little pig has like little to no protection, but it's like so much for him. So I killed those two piggies. I'm gonna do that. Oh, now I got two to deal with instead of just one. I should have just restarted. Now look what that got me. Okay, now this has to be the one. I want it to be the one. Can it be the one? May oh, I zoomed in. Please be the one. Please be the one. No, I already messed up. I should just. Let me restart real quick. Yeah. Alright, as I was saying. Come on, this has to be. This one is the one. This is the one. This is the way. This is the way, Mandalorian. This is the way. This is the way. You know the way. This is the way. This is the way. This is it. This is it, boys and girls and gentlemen and gentlemen and lady. Nope, never mind. I talked ahead. Nope. I tried to predict the future. No, that did not work at all. That did not work at all for me. Oh, okay. I just gotta clear it up and then boom. That should be easy, right? Right? Okay, I did that. Please, come on. Please. Yes! Yes, finally! Yes! Oh, thank you. Thank you, Angry Bird Heaven. Angry Bird Gods. But that still only got me 1 star. Are you joking? I'm not gonna do that level again at all. Nope, I'm not having it. I don't know how I did this first try. I don't know how. How did I do that? And then I go for more score and I mess up. I mess up for more score? Yeah, I'll keep that. Oh, I got 2 stars. Dang, bro, I almost got 3. I almost got all 3. Oh, I want to try to do that again. You know, that was cool. I got them all. Let's try. Nope, it failed. Nope. That is not how I wanted it to work out. And I don't know how it worked out the first time, but it did. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay, no. That pig up there, oh my gosh, like, dang it, bro. I'll just go for him, but yeah, his thing isn't brick or concrete or whatever that is. Neither is his, or red. We need that big guy that explodes stuff. I forgot his name, but Chuck, that fast one, that fast little yellow one. He just, yeah. Oh, yeah, no. Look. Trick shot. Blink. I don't know how he got them. They were like, I don't know. Okay, then. I finished. Brown got 89. Round up to 90. So, what I'm doing here. No. There you go. Oh, I need to blow him up like that. That was easy. That was a kind of an easy level. But watch, I'm gonna get 1 star only. Like, that's how it is. I finish. I do it good. Do all my birds, and still only get 1 star. Are you serious? I can predict the future now. And I predict that this one isn't going to be super easy. Not really. Yeah, no, this is going to be hard. I think I can tell already. What level is this? I forget. I checked, but then like I forgot. You know what I mean? Oh no! Okay, that did some damage. So Swift, we need you. No, I don't need you because you're just gonna ruin my run. So I don't need that stick, buddy. Oh, that took out a lot of wood. Whee! Oh, I still got him though. Here I go for more score. But I fell miserably. I mean, kinda. That little piece of wood right there on that edge right there, bro. Oh, I just messed that up. And oh, I got that one. But that wasn't the greatest. Let me just skip. Oh, 98,000. And I only got 1 star. Nice. Use the bird, lady. Okay, so this is gonna be. What did I do that? Yeah, I had to start. Huh. That didn't work out. I didn't. Oh, I want the big sardine can, please. That didn't work out as I wanted it to. I wanted to like go, like, you know what I mean? Like bounce, like boomerang. But I don't know. If I get all of them, nope, yeah, no. I should have just like hit harder. You know what I mean? That would have been like. And I didn't go high enough, so I just kind of screwed up everything. And he didn't die. Yeah, I kind of screwed up everything. That's not very that good at all. But I have a feeling this run is. Yo, how did I make that art design to protect him? You see with the 2 like triangle parts? Oh, I'm exploding on his head. Okay. Yeah, no, he's dead. He's gone. He's a goner. He's a goner. He's a goner. I made him into bacon. Korean bacon. 47,000? Cool. Only enough for 1 star, even though if I got like 1,000 more score. Not even like 280 something score maybe. And I at least have 2. Oh no, this is gonna be hard. I can already tell. Yeah. Okay. Level 37. Remember, I said we're gonna get to 40. Let me try this. Maybe? No, yeah, no. I could have just done that normally. Okay. That did absolutely nothing. What did that do? What did that do? What did that do too? That just hit his head. That probably hurt like really bad. Let me try again. Well, I just literally me. What? Okay, I messed up. Yeah, this one's tricky. But I'll do it. I know I do. I know I will. I know it. I just know it. I have that feeling. You know what I mean? Okay. Ultimate gamer focus. Yes. I got some piggies out. I just needed to aim in the same spot, and nope, that didn't work. Jeez, I was so close. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, bruh. Okay, this time I got it. I know I do. I just have that. I said that last time, but like, I just know I have this in the bag. You know what I mean? Okay, I got that, but I know that's not gonna hit anything, bro. Dang it! Oh, that hit a lot actually, more than I expected it to. But it didn't work in the end, so yeah. Okay. I will win. That's what he's saying, bruh. He's speaking Minecraft and Family Table, no cap. This, look how many piggy there are. I just messed up like that. Okay. Come on. Please. Okay, but that didn't do anything. Neither did that. Okay, okay, it's okay. Oh, that did some damage. Oh, that got more than I expected it to. Oh, wait, hold on. Yes. Yes. All I have to do is aim down a little. Yes! Finally, I told you I'll get it. I told you. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Huh? Let's go. Uh-oh. This is probably the last one I'm gonna do. Or next one. Remember, I said I want to get to 40. Level 40, and then next episode, I can't promise this next video. Next episode of Baby Bird series, we'll go to level 60. Or if there's even a level 60. A level 60. What type of Minecraft championship are they talking about? You heard him, right? I know I'm just only with you. Bro, what is that? They don't sound like that in the Angry Birds movie, not gonna lie. They didn't. That was kind of easy. It took like 2 tries. Okay. Oh, I got that. Easy dubs. Oh, I got 2 stars this time. About time. Jeez. Oh, is this the last one? No! Come on. I'm gonna start that again. And I hope you noticed that I didn't make this video along with the other ones, like part 3 and 4. Jeez, they were long. No wonder they got so little views. I need that. I know it's missing. But wait, I could get it back though? That's cool. I didn't know that. I was calculating the trajectory in my head. That didn't do me any good. I did it. Anything in? I need to get like the perfect tape. Oh, wait. I got no idea now. This is my idea. I just go for down. Oh, yeah. That looks like good if I hit everything. Yeah, that's totally doable. Let me try that again. So I gotta aim for that thingy. Like that, you know what I mean? That like wood thing. And then, yeah, okay, this is gonna work out. Good. Do that. Knock that over. Get those guys. Aim high up. Dang it, I only got 1. Let me try that again. Because I can't. That is like really good. Oh, I only got 1 bird and I used the others to keep the same damage. I don't know how I did that until I looked at it. Let me just get back to my old strat thing. Okay. This is the one. Yep. Right on the money. Okay. Nice. So I did that. That was cool. I knew I did it. Like, I know I could. Yeah, what was this gonna do after that? Got 2 stars to do that. Oh yeah, no, this is level 40. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Wow, that was fun. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next